Are you a business operations manager responsible for your company's finances? Do this on your first day. Create a copy of the company's financial file on day 1. Well, Nina, why? Short version, you'll have a starting point in case you screw something up. Also, if there was something wrong with the company's financial software file before you got there, you will have proof that this, whatever it was something that happened before you started. Get copies of all the current bill statements for the fiscal year you are responsible for. As a business operations manager who is responsible for company finances, on your first day, you will want to review all the bill statements for the first fiscal year that you're responsible for. This includes those bank credit card statements and lines of credit. Review the section of any payment agreement that the company has with a vendor. Look at that area that specifically outlines the payment terms. Something that comes to mind quickly is a company auto loan, office rent agreements, office mortgage documents. Reviewing these bills on your first day as a business operations manager who's responsible for company finances is important. You'll have an understanding of the company's operating costs. It also demonstrates proactiveness. You'll be able to verify that all of those expenses are in the company's financial software file. And let's think ahead a little bit more as a business operations manager. Was the company ready for tax time? And you can never plan too early. On your first day, don't forget to request the online access information, those usernames and passwords, for the company's online bill paying account. You'll be able to not only study prior payment patterns that prior employees made on the company's behalf, you'll also be able to note if there are any discounts for early payments. Review agreements between the company and its clients. Doing this will help you understand as a business operations manager how the company makes money. And in the future, you should be able to determine if the company is missing areas where they should be invoicing clients. Keep in mind, as a business operations manager, and this is a generalized assumption, you are not 100% billable to any client. You are considered overhead. So the way a business operations manager, again, this is my opinion, earns their keep is 1, you're going to find places where the company can save money. And 2, you're going to find missing areas where the company should have been invoicing clients. Pull business financial profit loss balance sheets, accounts receivable and accounts payable. As a business operations manager who is responsible for company finances, no one is going to tell you, hey, you need to review the company's financials. That's where your level of expertise comes in. That business owner is going to be expecting you to produce 100% accurate corporate financials. And it'll be your job to inform the company about any losses, any big profits. Double check the classification of the expenses. And also alert the company owners if you see any patterns, if you determine if the company is fiscally sound or if you see any troubling financial patterns. If there are any inaccuracies in the company financials, you as the business operations manager who is responsible for company finances will be expected to make those corrections. And keep in mind, the business owner does not want to hear about any opened-end problems as it relates to company finances. Create your own internal report outlining any issues you see and how you're going to resolve those problems. And that's how you, as a business operations manager, handle those companies' finances like a boss. You have any questions? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those playlinks. Click on one of these Click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.